Earth's surface does not offer many clues about what is inside. The most obvious evidence, volcanic eruptions, suggests that inside the Earth is hot. Digging deep into Earth provides evidence that temperature and pressure both increase the deeper one goes. Evidence from earthquakes suggests that Earth's interior is not the same all the way through. Scientists have put together all the evidence to construct a model of what is inside the Earth. Earth's outer crust is the coolest and least dense of all layers. There are two kinds of crust, oceanic and continental, both made of rock. The oceanic crust lies beneath the ocean. It is approximately 5 to 10 kilometers or 3 to 6 miles thick. That may sound thick, but oceanic crust is thin compared to continental crust, which ranges in thickness from 15 to 70 kilometers or 9 to 43 miles. Continental crust is thickest under high mountain areas. Directly under Earth's crust is the mantle. Like the crust, the mantle is made up of rock. However, the rock in the mantle is much denser than in the crust. The mantle is also much thicker than the crust, about 2,900 kilometers or 1,800 miles. It makes up about 83% of Earth's interior. The top layer of the mantle is rigid. It is cooler than the lower part of the mantle. Geologists call this rigid part of the mantle, together with the crust, the lithosphere. The lithosphere is broken into pieces called plates. But do not think about dinner plates. Instead, picture how an egg looks when its shell is cracked. So here's a photo here of the cracked shell and how they are similar to, I don't know what happened there. How they are similar to plates of the lithosphere. The plates of the lithosphere are moved over the part of the mantle directly below it. This part of the mantle is called the asthenosphere. Unlike the lithosphere, which cracks, the asthenosphere can flow. If you could see a piece of the asthenosphere, it would look just like a solid rock. Sorry, I lost my place there. But if the same asthenosphere had lots and lots of time, keeps moving on me. But if the same asthenosphere had lots and lots of time and was hot enough, it would actually flow like liquid does, but very, very slowly. It flows about as fast as your fingernails grow. The slow flow of the asthenosphere moves the tectonic plates around, and where they touch, earthquakes can happen. Beneath the mantle is the Earth's innermost layer, the core. Earth's core is divided into two parts, a liquid outer core made of iron and a solid inner core made of iron and nickel. And again, you can see a photo here of the layers of the Earth.